Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm John Skinner and today we have a nice special episode looking at the E-Type interior trim for a Series 3 E-Type Roadster open two-seater. So those of you familiar with my channel will know that I've done some videos showcasing some of the interior trim for my Series 3 E-Type, which I'm lucky enough to own, and this is it all fitted up in the car. So I just wanted to do a quick video. We're here at the Interclub International in Malvern at 3 Counties 2024, and pulled over in a nice shady spot. It's a lovely sunny day over here in the UK. I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you the bits and bobs fully fitted in the car. We're absolutely thrilled. Still tinkering with a couple of bits and bobs, but overall it's a user, shall we say. So as you guys know, I went full leather for absolutely everything apart from the sills, which actually we've kept in leather cloth just because they scuff quite easily with the amount of in and out that you do getting in and out of the car. Like you can see a little dirt mark there, and because I've ended up using Connolly Vaumol Leather, which is only surface dyed, that's the reason I've decided to go with leather cloth on there. If I'd gone with the leather on there, because it's surface dyed, you would start seeing bits of the beige backing coming through. If you want to go full leather but not use Connolly Vaumol, so either I'd Rained or Smooth, that'd be absolutely fine. You're not going to encounter too many more issues with that side of things. So it's purely because I've done Connolly Vaumol that I've decided to do them in a leather cloth. But the door trims here, you can see absolutely everything. It's been done in leather. The door armrest, pull handle there, even down into the recessed panels here. I've trimmed those in a matching red leather. We've skived them in with our in-house leather skiving machine, even down to A-post panels here. But the piece de resistance is definitely the centre console units here, where normally obviously they're a black moulded plastic, and we've started developing kits to fully trim these, including the ashtray there, which you can even see we've gone down to the levels of detail of getting the bits that go in the rib effect basically going in and out of it. So again, the in-house leather skiving machine comes up trumps there. Obviously armrest there, we've fitted a USB in the top, Bluetooth radio, and obviously the seats here with the embossed leather over the top look absolutely lovely. We've done all elements of the seats in leather. We even retrimmed these side bits here. Not that you can see it in this video here, but I can show you actually if I move the seats. Here we go. Even these B-post Wheelarch speaker panels here have been retrimmed in leather, so we're doing those as well. Obviously the carpets have all been redone as well. I've got the overmats, the rubber overmats in there, which takes a slight tweaking to get sorted. And then obviously as well, we've done a hood frame cover in leather as well. Now again, I didn't use Connolly Vaumol leather for this. I've just done it in our matching smooth finished leather, and the reason for that is because of what the hood frame is in terms of covering up all the framework of the hood frame. I didn't want to scuff the Connolly Vaumol again because it's only surface dyed, so a bit of common sense element use of that there. We've retrimmed the dash top, both of them, so that's the main panel there, and then the front panel there, as well as the piping that goes around the side. That's all in our smooth leather there. But yeah, it looks the absolute part, as you can see. Really chuffed with it, thrilled with it all. So yeah, I'll be doing some other videos, but just thought I'd do the quick one. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.